from lifestyle.
Alright, people, so yeah, man, the pot, definitely. We're gonna go, everyone. Good vibes.
Good vibes. Then that kind of food will make you feel so vital. Every day we get some
stress. Feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Release stress. Him feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Ringo could have a 9 to 5, him never fi do it. Love all people, him just love the street. Him just love the street. Power, release stress. Ringo feed the homeless. Ringo vision on a mission. Yeah.
Yes, people, Wagwan, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision. We're live here once again, people. We're in Croydon. Yes, we're in Croydon, High Street, people. Yeah, that town that's a bit broken. It's got a lot of homeless people. Today we're aiming to feed 100 to 150 people, yeah? That is it. Alright, so look, we've got a pot on fire right now and we've got all our ingredients. So today we're going to be cooking a vegetable soup, people, yeah? Big up yourself, you don't know Wagwan. Outside, live and kicking, 24-hour kitchen, we say, feeding the homeless, a good vibe. Yes, people, so it's not a joke thing, you know, so we're outside right now, look and see Wagwan. So look, pumpkin, we've got all the ingredients, them people, yeah. Alright, that is it, so look at this, we've got okra, peppers, thyme, garlic, ginger, sweet potato, yam, yeah man, a good vibe. Look, pot of water here, people, yeah, that is it. A good vibes. Yes, everybody, big up yourself. We're here once again. You know that out here in life, there's a lot of people that's at defect, you understand? And it's only right to try and help those in need as and when we can. You understand, people? We've all got our own issues, we've all got our own problem. But what do we believe in? We believe that everybody must be sheltered and everyone must eat a healthy meal. You understand, people? So therefore, we're joined with myself and some friends that's come out with me today to help me give back and just cook some food for the local community and those that are homeless people, yeah. If you're watching this video anywhere you are, share it, like it, support it. It's not just about feeding the people today, but it's about sharing it and showing people what's going on around the world and giving back to our local community. You understand, people, yeah? And especially giving back to those that we see that are outside that haven't eaten. Ask them if they want some food. You understand, people? That is it. A good vibes. Big up yourself. See, look, pot the pan fire. A good vibes. Now what we're going to start doing here, we're going to just start peeling up the ingredients. Come.
Look.
So what we're starting off by now, we're putting the pumpkin, peeling the pumpkin to go into the pot, people, yeah? A good vibes.
It's vegetable soup. So it's vegetable soup. So obviously Ringo's used all natural ingredients to feed the homeless.
Big up Sandra, come through. Make sure you man pattern that part. Definitely, innit?
We're helping the community. Anything is allowed when it comes to community.
Come on, tell them again.
Anything.
Anything.
Oh, no, it's fine. He's been doing it. The police even came and walked past earlier.
I'm police son. Kino Dara.
Yes, everybody, so right now we're going to start putting all the ingredients into the pot. So this is the first ingredients that I'm going to be using. Come in, so you can have a look. So we've got a pot of boiling water.
Yeah.
We're just going to rinse off our pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because this water here, we can just wash it anywhere, it doesn't matter. You understand? And plus it's fresh ingredient. Just give it a rinse off. I'll just put it into the pot, people, yeah?
Yeah.
That is it. So what's happening now is going to wash and peel all the pumpkin and put them into the pot. A good vibe. Come in close so you can see the pumpkin. So look at the richness of this pumpkin, people, yeah? Look at the colour. Nice, red, rich colour pumpkin, everybody, yeah? A good vibe. Look at that. Wow.
Thanks for the support.
You see pumpkin, yeah, because it carries so much nutrients in it, yeah. We're gonna leave some of the skin on there and just wash it thoroughly and put it in the pot. Our good vibes.
Go on. We've got more.
Now you got to be doing too much when I'm bending over to be recording you.
No, that's alright. Yes, everybody, thank you very much. So look, come. I want to show you guys. So look, I've got some garlic on top of here. And look, we've got all our ingredients into our pot. Scallion, garlic, thyme, red onion. We've got cho-cho, we've got turnip, we've got carrots in here. So basically we're just waiting for the pumpkin to boil out right now, people, yeah, and then we're going to go into stage 2 of cooking, which is adding the yam, the sweet potato, and the rest of the ingredients. Our good vibes, people, big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Alright, people, so yeah, man, the pot's they're on the go. We're on the go, everyone. Good vibes.
Then that kind of food will make you feel so vital. Every day we get up.
I'm Jack from Percy's Homeless Hub. We feed the homeless every single Monday night in central Croydon. We do between 100 to 150 meals. We got sleeping bags, snacks, hygiene products, clothing, all the works, whatever everyone needs on the street. And we're teaming up tonight with Ringo.
That is it, people, yeah. So we're outside. I've got the pot of soup over there on the go. As you can see that we started cooking. And we're here with Percy,
Yeah, Percy.
Homeless.
Percy's Homeless Hub.
That is it, people, yeah. Burgers on the grill, mate.
Yeah. It's all good, it's all love.
It's all good, it's all good, it's all love, it's all love, it's all love.
You good?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. If you want to plot there, you can do.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, people, look, so we're here. We already got people out here waiting. It's a good vibes. And it's every week. Just giving back to the local community, man. That is it.
And we're not taking it on go.
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh, look, so cute. Oh, is that your seasoning? Why? What's Ringo's seasoning? We outside.
Percy Homeless Hub, people, yeah. So we're doing the thing today. It's a big collaboration, link up. Look, got the burgers there on grill. That is it. You understand, people? Cause we believe that we can't leave people out in the streets without eating. How long you been doing this?
5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah. We fundraise for the van with a big project of Christmas for homeless, where we get doctors, nurses, barbers, everything. Everyone deserves a hot meal. If you got this beaten, you can have a meal. That's it. There's no answers. There's no questions. There's nothing else. You can have a meal. Everyone deserves a hot meal.
That is
no
it,
one
people.
goes hungry.
That is it, people. Yeah, and look, guys are just in here in the burger vans right now and making burgers. And if you are watching this video, support it. Percy Homeless Hub, they've been out here for 5 years of the 1 year, actually providing hot meals for the homeless community. You understand, in Croydon, there's a lot of homeless out here in the UK. So let's try and get a domino effect, people, and just put back. You know what I mean? Just give back. If you see someone that's out of place, see something that's out of place, let's try and put it in place. Good vibes. All right. So we're out here, basically. We're just here to give back and feed the homeless people.
Leave it, this guy. You're gonna kill him.
All right, so
We're gonna stop it.
no, we just get. Chill out. All right, you know what it is, yeah, and it's only natural, yeah, that people are frustrated, mate. People are out here, and people are genuinely frustrated. You understand? And that's why sometimes they get in a tiff because they're frustrated.
How you doing, bro?
Damn right, man. Yeah, good stuff.
They call me Dave the Drake.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you.
Very nice to see you.
Bless up. Yes. Wow, what a turnout today. What a turnout. So I just want to thank everybody that's been watching and supporting. We're out here today with Percy Homeless Hub. Hope for the homeless. Definitely we have hope for the homeless people, yeah. So today we're out in Croydon giving back and just trying to help each and every one that's out there, people, yeah. Just so that they can get out of the position that they're in into a better position. We believe that everyone deserves a hot meal, everybody deserves clothes, and everybody deserves a house and to be sheltered people, yeah, are good vibes. That's it. Everyone's getting fed today. Everyone's getting a burger, and also they're waiting as well for their soup. So good vibes. Big up yourself, people. Yeah, that is it. Today has been such an amazing day. Can you just tell us a bit about your story?
We'll go over here. It's a bit quiet.
Yeah.
So I'm Percy. This is Percy's Homeless Hub, the founder. Got a great, fantastic team sitting behind me here. They do all the prep work. Every single Monday we come to Croydon, we do between 100 to 150 meals for anybody that's hungry. If this beats and you're hungry, you get a meal. That's it, simple as that. There's no questions asked. You don't have to be homeless. I know it says Homeless Hub, but we've realised over the years that people still have homes but they're still hungry. Also, I'm an advocate for men's mental health. I suffer with substance and alcohol issues myself and mental health issues. This is why I do it, to give back. It makes me feel good, it helps my mental health. To see others smile, you know, that's the biggest gift you can give in life is to make people smile, because it's free.
It's free.
All you got to tell someone you're having a good day or you're a good person, it's all free. So this is why I do this, you know. It wouldn't happen without my team. We're here every single Monday doing what we need to do, doing what the government doesn't do, doing what the council doesn't do. We're here doing the things that no one else does.
That's
so
it.
We don't just give meals, we give clothing, we give sleeping bags, we give tents, we give hygiene products. They get a fizzy drink, they get a snack and crisps, they get all sorts. Anything you can think of, they get. We do one big project at Christmas where we have barbers, where we have Samaritans from the council. We work with local drug and alcohol charities to get people into rehab, to get them to detox. I've experienced it myself firsthand what it's like, so I give back to the people that are feeling it. You know, people get tarnished with the same, but they're alcoholics or they're drug addicts. No, they're not. They're still the same as you. They might have a little bit of a problem, but the problem works and we can get over it.
It's true.
But you just got to give them the same love as you would your friend.
That's it.
Simple as that. That's me done.
Thank you, bro. Big up.
I appreciate you coming.
Yeah, thank you.
We needed this. This needed to happen.
Yeah.
Needed to happen. We're on the same wavelength.
No, definitely, 100%. And that's what it is. We're just out here. He's giving back. He's fed everybody out here today with burgers. And also myself, we've got the pot of soup that's on, and we're going to be giving everybody a pot of soup, a cup of soup today as well. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Big up yourself, people, yeah. And I'm here with my team as well. Big up the team. They've been out here. Help you guys. Big up as well. Big up, big up, big up, big up. That is it.
Charity,
Yeah.
So she plays a big part in the charity for us behind the scenes and helping people.
Yeah.
So if you two can collab or meet or tap, that'd be good for you.
All right, everyone. So what I'm doing, come and have a look in the pot. So what I'm doing is just mashing down the pumpkin, that magical process that I was talking to you guys about. With just getting the pumpkin to dissolve to create that initial color that we're looking for today, everybody. Is a good vibe. So as the pumpkin breaks down, you see that color transformation instantly, immediately, everybody. Yeah, look at that. That nice, rich color is coming on right now, people. Yeah, man. It's a nice vegetable soup. We've got string beans in there. We've got plantain, ripe plantain, green plantain, yellow yam, cocoa yam, edo. We've got white yam. We've got yellow yam. We've got sweet potato, Irish potato in there as well, everybody. Yeah, it's a good vibe. The pot's smelling absolutely amazing. I'm going to use some of the all-purpose seasoning mix that you guys know, and that's what's going to be going in to add the last initial flavor that we're looking for today, everybody. Yeah, that is it. I put a Scotch bonnet pepper in as well to just spice it up a bit as well, everyone. A good vibes.
Too spicy to that Scotch bonnet egg with the blend it. It looks fucking smells amazing, I tell you. Respect you, you've done a wonderful job. You know what I mean? And maybe carry it on as well.
Cheers. David, come on and just show everything. You want to soup as well?
Yeah, that's what.
Hot.
It's hot, straight from pot, isn't it?
Yeah, you know that, man. It's nice. It smells gorgeous, man.
Yeah.
How is it?
Yes, people, so we're just at that grand finale where we're just giving everybody back a cup of soup right now. So good vibes. How's it taste?
I'm tasty, yeah.
Oh, you want a spoon?
Yeah, that'd be the one. Yeah, it's got a bit of hot to
Bard, you want...
Street food for the people on the street, you know what I mean? Hot. Don't try and...
No, not your face.
Live in Croydon. The beans in it are nice and al dente, you know what I mean?
Oh, you like the beans?
Yeah, they're not all squishy, they're nice and al dente, man. Lots of lovely flavour. Very cool, man.
Hey, mate!
Drink a soup, man. We have the shield. We are immune to foolishness. Immune.
Goodbye, bro.
Tasting good now, I've got a bit of bread with it, man.
Oh, you got a bread with it?
Yeah,
So you say next time come out with a bread,
I knew inside man, like, you know what I mean? In the bread factory.
Let me taste the soup.
Nice.
Good stuff. I tell soup, Rasta. Yeah, I'm probably doing it wrong. Beauty soup.
Excuse me.
We're heading to the pub. Huh? When you see them, tell them there's free soup there, man.
Yes, people, oh my days, today was absolutely amazing. So I actually want to say thank you to Percy, Homeless Hub people, yeah. They were absolutely amazing. The collaboration was great. We linked up today in Croydon and we fed 140 people, yeah. Burgers and soup. The collaboration of just giving them burgers and then also giving them a hot cup of soup was absolutely amazing. Personally, Homeless Hub has been doing it for about 5 years. I've been out just feeding people in the local community. I'm on a mission right now, people, to try and feed at least 1 million people. It is the 4th week. Next week will be the 5th week. I'll be going out again this week, trying to go out at least twice a week, people, yeah, to feed a minimum of 100 to 150 people and trying to raise it as we go along, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Thank you to friends and family that was there supporting. Big up the Ringo Vision team. Big up the Percy Homeless Hub team, people, yeah. That is it. Our good vibes until next time. I'll see you again soon, people, yeah, outside.